Hey, Dr. A back with you in the garden. It's yeah, it's spring, and happy to be able to share that with you for sure. Just a couple little things to have fun with. I apologize for the light, but hey, it's sunny in beautiful Athens, Georgia. This is Anna's Red. I've got this from the perennialfarmmarketplace.com. They have great plants, and can't wait to see what that's going to look like in a year or so. Of course, I showed you this spectacular epimedium, and it is just out of this world. I showed you this before, and gosh, it's always nice to have a few woody things coming along, isn't it? And I think this is Orange Magic. The Japanese maple is coming out now. Don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure that's Orange Magic. And of course, all cool things like all the hydrangea paniculatas are looking good. Unfortunately, my hydrangea macrophylla, or the mop heads, so they kind of got frosted in this late frost. I'm hoping for a flower or two, but I'm not going to hold my breath. Anyway, come on over. There's a ton of things to see. Hope you're having a great spring and the snow melts soon for some of you. All the best.